Having trouble connecting your Samsung Galaxy Watch to your phone? As of February 2026, this is a common issue with several potential causes. Most pairing failures stem from user side factors like misconfigurations, Bluetooth interference, incompatible software, or permission issues. Let's explore the main causes one by one. First, misconfigurations in your phone's settings or the Galaxy wearable app can prevent proper pairing. Second, Bluetooth interference from nearby Wi Fi networks, other Bluetooth devices, or even physical obstacles can disrupt the connection signal. Third, incompatible software versions between your watch's Wear OS and your phone's Android or iOS can cause compatibility issues during pairing. Finally, permission issues where the Galaxy wearable app lacks necessary access to location, notifications, or Bluetooth can block the pairing process. Understanding these common causes is the first step toward resolving your Samsung Watch pairing issues. These user-side factors account for the majority of problems and can usually be fixed with straightforward troubleshooting steps. Pairing your Samsung Galaxy Watch relies on Bluetooth Low Energy technology to establish a secure wireless connection. This allows your watch and phone to sync data seamlessly. The process begins with device discovery. Your phone scans for available Bluetooth devices in range, and your watch must be in pairing mode to appear in the list. Once discovered, authentication occurs using either a PIN code displayed on your watch or a QR code scanned with your phone's camera. This step ensures the connection is secure. The Galaxy wearable app serves as the bridge between devices, handling the setup process and managing ongoing communication for features like notifications and health data. For initial setup, both your watch and phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This helps establish the connection reliably before switching to Bluetooth. Most pairing issues arise from Bluetooth connectivity problems, insufficient app permissions, or glitches within the Galaxy wearable app itself. Understanding these fundamentals helps in troubleshooting. Let's start with the basics. First, restart both your Samsung Galaxy Watch and your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable on both devices. Update the Galaxy wearable app and your phone's operating system to the latest versions. Reset your phone's network settings if problems persist. These will solve 75% of the issues. If basic troubleshooting steps fail, start with advanced techniques. First, clear the Galaxy wearable app's cache and data on your phone. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Next, check the app permissions for Galaxy wearable. Ensure location, contacts, and other required permissions are enabled in your phone's settings. Denied permissions can block pairing. Disable any VPNs or firewalls on your phone or network. These security features can interfere with the Bluetooth connection needed for pairing. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your watch. This erases all data and restores it to original settings, which can resolve persistent pairing issues. To diagnose issues, put your watch into recovery mode. This safe mode helps identify problems without affecting your data. Other devices can disrupt signals. Keep watch and phone close away from Wi-Fi routers or microwaves. Ensure watch and phone are within 1 meter during pairing. Too far apart weakens Bluetooth connection. Different OS versions can cause compatibility issues. Check that both devices are updated. Newer Wear OS needs Android 9 Plus or iOS 13 Plus. Older versions won't pair properly. Regular updates fix bugs. Check for watch and app updates before troubleshooting. Cross-platform pairing allows Samsung Galaxy watches to connect with both Android and iOS devices, though with varying levels of functionality. While Samsung prioritizes Android compatibility, limited support exists for iPhone users. Samsung primarily designs Galaxy watches for Android devices, offering full access to all features like health monitoring, app syncing, and advanced customization. Android phones provide the most seamless and complete pairing experience. For iOS users, Samsung offers limited support through the Galaxy Watch plugin, which can be downloaded from the App Store. This provides basic functionality like receiving notifications, but many advanced features are not available. Some users explore third-party apps as workarounds to extend functionality on iOS, but these solutions typically offer reduced features and may not be officially supported by Samsung. Always prioritize official methods for the best experience. Samsung continues to prioritize Android devices for Galaxy Watches, providing the most reliable and feature rich pairing experience. If you use an iPhone, consider an Android device for full access to all watch capabilities. To prevent pairing issues in the future, staying updated with Samsung's software releases is crucial. These updates often include fixes for Bluetooth stability and compatibility problems. Samsung releases frequent software updates that improve pairing stability. These updates address bugs, enhance Bluetooth performance, and ensure compatibility between your watch and phone. Keep your devices updated to benefit from these fixes. Regularly check the Galaxy Wearable app for updates, update your watch's firmware through the connected phone, and ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Monitor Samsung's official support channels and user forums for known issues and workarounds. Check the Samsung website, community forums, and App Store reviews to stay informed about common problems and temporary solutions. In the future, AI will predict and resolve pairing issues automatically. Upcoming Galaxy Watch models will use machine learning to detect potential problems and apply fixes without user intervention. Experts estimate that 90% of pairing issues with Samsung Galaxy Watches are user-related, most commonly due to improper permission settings on the phone. Looking ahead, future Samsung watches will feature self-healing connections that automatically resolve pairing issues without user intervention. Watch for emerging trends in wearable technology, including AI integration for smarter connectivity, cross-ecosystem growth, allowing better compatibility between different device brands, and sustainable repairs that make fixing watches easier and more environmentally friendly. If all troubleshooting steps fail, don't hesitate to contact Samsung support for professional assistance with your Galaxy Watch pairing issues. Finally, be aware of cybersecurity vulnerabilities associated with Bluetooth connections. Always keep your devices updated and use secure pairing methods to protect your data.